All right, Reiki family, so I'm outside of a beautiful Taylor Morrison property. This is their most popular plan right here in Friendswood, Texas. From the double staircase, the amount of square footage that you have in here is absolutely insane. You have a double island, waterfall countertops. You have an absolute open concept that's perfect for an entertainer's dream. Without further ado, let's take a look at it. All right, Reiki family, so we are looking at this beautiful Taylor Morrison property right here in Friendswood, Texas. Now, this is a bestseller, and like I always mention, I bring you folks the best of the best. So just going inside this driveway, you have two garage bays. This is a 2-car and a 2-car. So you have a total of 4 garage spaces in your garage. Look at the beautiful stucco and the multi-tone stone going inside of the covered front porch. Right here, you have these beautiful double doors, and this one's a humongous property, and I want to make sure you see inside of it. So inside of right here, of course, we are going to have the double staircase going into your great room right here. Just look at the amount of windows inside of here with the natural light, and you have these sliders, which everyone absolutely loves. Not to mention, you have it open to the kitchen. And look at the second floor, but I want to make sure that you see the double staircase. Absolutely gorgeous going into the grand foyer. Not to mention, inside of your kitchen, you are going to have these stack cabinets. You have the double island right here. You have a farmhouse sink, plus you have waterfall countertops. Now, keep in mind, this is the model house. It's going to have a lot of upgrades, but it really showcases the property extremely well. And like I said, this is one of the best sellers. So inside of here, you have the stack cabinets on top with the wooden range hood, beautiful backsplash that matches the countertops and the flooring. You have engineered wood flooring throughout here. You have the larger planks, and just look at this. Absolutely fantastic. You have your butler's kitchen area right here. Butler's pantry. Look at the walk-in pantry itself. You have plenty of storage space inside of there, and I absolutely love it. So you do have brass handles inside of here. If you notice, you also have your double stainless steel oven as well. And just look at the amount of natural light. So this is on a lakefront lot right here, but I definitely think it does it justice. I mean, we're going to be opening up a new section over the next year. A lot of it is pre-sold right now, but there's still opportunities over the next year. So inside of your breakfast nook, you actually have an electric fireplace. I love it. You have the mantle on top as well with the tile exterior. And just look at how fantastic this property is. Perfection. So let's go ahead and continue along. Like I said, this is a big property, so we're going to tackle it from end to end. So going inside of here, look at your primary bedroom. Absolutely fantastic. You have your tray ceilings on top with your LED ceiling fan. You have your bay windows over there. And just look at the colors inside of here. The decor in here is absolutely magnificent. You really can't get much better than this. And just look how much space you have inside of here. Let me go ahead and do a pan for you. Absolutely beautiful, folks. This is Taylor Morrison. Quite frankly, this is the best plan, in my humble opinion, by Taylor Morrison. They do have a lot of great plans, but this was nothing short of excellence. So look at your ensuite right here. You have your large soaking tub right here. You have the his and hers sink with the vanity area. You have quartz countertops inside of here, and just look at the attention to detail inside of here. You just cannot get much better than this. Plus you have a super shower right here, and just look how large this is. Absolutely insane. You got your shower bench, you got the shower niche, 2 shower heads. Absolutely fantastic. So right here, you're going to have 1 walk-in closet. Look how much space you have inside of here. You have recessed lighting. You have plenty of space for any size wardrobe in here. Really can't get much better than this. And then also you have this section over here as well for extra storage space. And then if you notice, you actually have two separate toilets. One on this end, one on that end. And then just continuing along right here, you have another full-size walk-in closet. So you have carpet inside of the closets right here. This one's actually attached to the utility room. And right here is your full-size utility room. So you have a sink inside of here, you got quartz countertops, but just look at the amount of space right here. So you can easily put an oversized washer and dryer. You got the updated cabinetry on top for plenty of storage. And then now we're on this section. So this would be the 2-car garage on the left side as soon as you're entering in the house. You have a powder bath right here, quartz countertops again, wood flooring extends in here. And of course right here, we have a full-size study. So you have French doors inside of here. You have the mini tray ceilings on the top with the recessed lighting. And just look at that. Absolute perfection. And I'll make sure to open every single door so that way you can see how we're looking. You have a coat closet right here. Not to mention another storage closet right here. If you would continue along that way, that would enter into your garage again. And right here, you have a media room, or you can have it as a secondary study. Really just depend to each his own, but most people would have it as a game room or a study. You got French doors inside of here as well. And then right here, you would easily have your second bedroom. Most folks would utilize this as a guest bedroom because if you think about it, you would easily have your guests park in that other garage bay if that one's not being utilized or occupied, and they would come straight to their room right here. This one does have a full-size bathroom attached to it as well. Got quartz countertops in here, brass handles. You have the brick-like tile shower surround, full-size walk-in shower with the shower niche as well. And then let me open up the closet so that way you can see how we're looking. So you have a decent sized closet right here. I mean, goodness, the amount of square footage in here is insane. So this is perfect for growing families and things like that. As you can tell right here, that would be your garage. So as you can tell, just inside of this property, a lot of folks love it. You can understand why this would be a bestseller. It sells out extremely quickly. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If it's something where you absolutely love this plan, reach out. We'll definitely get you taken care of, find out what we can do about getting you inside of here. But just look at this. Absolute perfection. You have these beautiful chandeliers on top as well. So we'll go ahead and go this way. Right here, you have another full-size bedroom again. So just look at the amount of space inside of here. Taylor Morrison does such a great job with the amount of space and being able to utilize these rooms perfectly. And just look, you have a queen size bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser, and you still have plenty of room. So right here, we have a full size walk-in closet as well. Not to mention you have a full size shower and bathroom. You got the shower and tub combo, same brick-like tile shower surround, quartz countertops, beautiful mirror frame, fantastic. So we'll continue along. Right here, you're gonna have a little powder bath. So this would be, perfect for folks whenever they come inside the property and they're upstairs or in the game room or what have you. They don't have to go downstairs or go to one of the full bathrooms. So continuing along, you do have a full size media room. So if you were to use that downstairs, the 2 studies as a study, you could easily have your media room up here. So inside of here, you have the tray ceilings, you have these theatrical like lighting fixtures. You can dim those down, and that way creates that ambiance. Right here to the right, you would have an attic, but just looking inside your game room, and just look how beautiful this is. Just looking out at the lake. You could easily put a pool table inside of here. You got tray ceiling. You have the tray ceilings, almost like the cathedral-like ceilings on top with the LED ceiling fan. Fantastic. And you have a 2nd story balcony as well. Look at this. You really can't get much better than this, folks. This is an entertainer's dream. Quite frankly, if you were to buy this property, all the family would probably move in, from mother, cousin, sister, that long lost cousin. And just look at this. You can't get much better than this view. You're in a great school district. You're in Friendswood, Texas inside of this one. And like I said, if it is something where you do want a plan like this, we can find out other places they plan to build it over the next year, so that way you can get taken care of. So as soon as you walk up the double staircase, of course, this is going to be to the left, and I'll make sure to showcase to the right for you. We have another bedroom over here, straight ahead, and the last bedroom right there. So look how much space you have in here. I love the way they have it set up. Absolute perfection. And then of course you have a full-size walk-in closet again, and a full-size bathroom. So absolutely love it. Of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll definitely get you taken care of. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And that way, when I drop a new video every single week. So I'm loving the amount of space inside of here. I'm loving the way they utilize this property. I really, there's no complaints. I give this a 10. Absolutely. I mean, I've showcased Taylor Morrison a couple times, and without a doubt, this has been the best plan that you can get from them. And just the amount of size that you get in these rooms is what attracts people to this particular plan. And of course, right here, it wouldn't be complete without a full-size linen closet. Right here would be perfect. You could just, how they have just a seating area just for some decorations. But now we'll go through the backyard so that way you can see the size. I mean, this one's so big that a lot of times you have to have a 90-foot lot to be able to properly place this plan on there. And those plans sell out extremely quick. So that's one thing to keep in mind. This is your oversized, large, extended covered backyard patio. Just look how much space you have out here to entertain. You have no challenges whatsoever. And I love that you have the slider, so you'll be able to open this completely up and have no problem whatsoever entertaining folks. And look at the size of this lot. So this model house is not for sale at the present time. It might be a few more years, but of course I'd like to bring you folks the best of the best. The property's dressed up so that way you can see what is possible. And that is the back of the property. So that, folks, is the lovely Taylor Morrison. All right, folks, so that was the lovely Taylor Morrison. Gosh, you really can't get much better than that. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.